What's going on, guys? Decelation. Brian.
What's up, peeps?
What are you gonna be doing?
Changing the oil. We just safety's priority here on the Decelation YouTube channel.
No. I wish it was changing oil. That'd be fun. No, this is more sanding. Yeah, those boxes. That's upcoming video. We'll talk about that later. Yeah. So Brian's gonna start. We'll continue sanding the body. And I managed to get a few videos ago. Can't talk. English is hard. I talked about the stupid panel bond gun. Well, I did order the 3M one. So if you look, it's got a large plunger on one side and a small plunger on the other. This is designed to work perfectly for 3M panel bond. We're not going to talk about how much I spent on this. Just know it'll work perfectly. But yes, so which worked out perfectly because this side is dry. So I'm going to work on panel bonding. That's the other stuff that I had messed up before. Yay! All right, so stay tuned, guys.
Yay!
Oh, and it's raining. Yay!
Quick, let's pull the car out so we get washed off. It's not an in the rain car.
No, this is not in the rain. There's a lot of exposed wires still that I'd rather make sure those are just terminated. Yeah. Although this could use a bath.
I definitely saw a worse wiring on one of those customer states YouTube videos. The guy said, I wired in my own radio as they pulled the double DIN radio out of the dashboard. It was just a plume of wires with little twisty wire nuts. Probably 100 of them, because it had all the vehicle management stuff onto the radio. So they just cut the connection from the vehicle plug that would plug into the stock radio and just wire nutted like 100 connections.
Oh man.
If I was a technician, I would have just pushed that back in and put the screws back in and just forgot I saw any of that.
Yeah, that's bad. But yeah. If you can't tell, we're kind of procrastinating on what we got to do right now, but time to get some work. All right, stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. Brian. So, you want to talk about what?
I mean, there's really not a whole lot to talk about. I sanded some more. And I made a lot of dust, and there's dust everywhere again.
Yeah, that happens.
It's good.
But we did also put panel bond right here because this piece was all jankered up. Like, it was all hollow. You could push down on it. So I had extra panel bond over there. So that's what we did.
So we're getting there.
We are getting there.
About done with the machine sanding, and then the rest will just be hand sanding all the high spots and low spots, and then we're going to put some goop all over it and sand it again. Yay.
Yes.
So that's what we did.
Yeah, that's
we still have to do the doors.
Yeah, I'll probably disassemble them at some point. Yay.
Let's get there, folks.
You see my excitement. The doors, pain. But all right, so I was able to get this work. I was able to do both panels under one tube. It was awesome. So Thank you. I believe it was Steve. Yeah. Thank you, Steve, for letting me to do the a razor blade to scrape it smooth, because that's going to be much easier to sand. I appreciate you. And yeah, and I also did this again. Thank you, Mike, from B Woody. Look at that. That's going to be nice and smooth. That's going to look a lot better than what it originally came. And this stuff is going to be really, really attached, so it's not going to delaminate, hopefully. Win. Alright, but we got to let this stuff dry before we do any more work, so we're going to have to catch you guys tomorrow. Welcome back, guys. Got Brian back in here again.
What's going on, peeps?
Yep. And now this is dried. My pieces are dry. So it's grinding time, babies.
Yay.
Yep. So we're gonna get back to work.
Stoked. My stoked face is behind this mask.
This is my stoked face. But yeah, stay tuned. This should be like, what, 5 minutes for them?
Yeah, pretty much.
3 hours, 4 hours for us. See you on the other side. Alright, welcome back, guys. So we're still waiting for this to dry, but we're gonna call this video a close, because yeah. Brian, want to talk about what you did?
I sanded, and then I trimmed up the back piece there so it was all even, and then I sanded some more and made a fucking mess, and that's what we do.
Yeah, and I did that. I'm waiting for that to dry. I was having the fun experience of, how do you say, the hardener roulette. Either not enough hardener or too much hardener. And we've got some special guests right here. From right to left, Diesel Pack Garage. Subscribe to his channel. He's from West Virginia. He does some really cool, stupid shit with cars.
Mostly stupid.
Mostly stupid, but it's awesome. Subscribe. Gabe, that's a slowpoke. He used to have a slow charger. Now he has nothing. And Mario. He has a ZL1 that he swears is gonna beat this. We're gonna find out, don't worry.
We'll see it, don't worry.
We'll see. But me and Mario have had a running rivalry, if you would, for
3.5, 4 years.
like, yeah, 3 years. Some of you may recognize, ooh, there may be like 10 of you that were subscribed back then, but I used to have a Hennessy HP 700 Corvette, and he had a different ZL1 at the same time. That we
just
talk mad crap
every day.
Every day. We've never raced though because we realized neither one of us was gonna lift. It was dangerous.
That's like a 200 rule.
Yeah, it was gonna be like,
we ain't stopping.
We ain't stopping. Keep going. Keep going. Oh man, what the good old times. But yeah,
those are the easy ones. If you're a cop sitting there, you just hear the noise. I'm not catching that.
Like, I'm not catching them.
There's not like when the guys fly by on their motorcycles. We'll go scrape him off the road down there.
You're not gonna catch us. That's true. But man, thank you guys for watching. Sorry, this video's been spanning over a couple weeks. It's just getting things together for it. But I appreciate you guys watching these videos. Like, comment, subscribe down below, and I do have in the description a bunch of links to all the stuff that we use in this garage because it's helpful for you people that are actually building one of these. I only put the stuff that actually worked, so if it works for you, hope it does. But have a good one, guys. Peace.